Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily import your data into Cubewp. Whether you're setting up a new site or migrating your content, this process is straightforward and efficient. Let's get started. To get started, log in to your WordPress admin panel. Navigate to Cubewp and find the Import section. Look for the Import option in the Cubewp menu and click on it. This will open up a new window. On the left-hand side menu, find and click on the Import option. This is where you'll initiate the import process. Next, you'll need to upload your data file. Click the Upload button and select a zip file that contains one or more JSON files. These JSON files should be exported from the Cubewp export tool. Once you've uploaded your file, the import process will begin. Depending on the size of your data, this might take a little bit of time. So be patient. The system is working hard to get everything in place for you. After the import is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. This indicates that all your data has been successfully imported. Note on Dummy Data Importer. Just a quick note, Cubewp also offers a dummy data importer. This tool allows you to import placeholder content for testing purposes, such as post types, taxonomies, terms, custom fields, and forms. For this process, no file upload is needed. Everything is handled directly within Cubewp. And that's it. Your data has been imported successfully. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.